Understanding Pigeon-Toed, a quirk in our walk. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, pigeon-toed. This term might conjure images of pigeons in your mind, but what does it have to do with people? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of this phrase together. Have you ever noticed someone walking with their toes turned inward? This unique way of walking is described as pigeon-toed. It's a condition where the toes point towards each other when a person is walking or standing. It's commonly observed in children, but it can also be found in adults. Interestingly, being pigeon-toed can affect balance and agility. The term pigeon-toed might sound odd at first. Pigeons, the birds, are known to have a slightly inward stance. So when a person walks with their feet pointing inward, it's compared to how a pigeon looks when it stands or walks. The term is not medical. It's more of a casual way to describe the stance or gait of an individual. You can use pigeon-toed in everyday conversation when referring to someone's walk. For example, my little cousin is still pigeon-toed. We're hoping she'll outgrow it soon. It's important to note that this phrase is descriptive and not meant to be offensive. However, always be sensitive when discussing physical characteristics to avoid hurting someone's feelings. While pigeon-toed is a descriptive term, it can also imply a need for a medical checkup, especially if it causes discomfort or difficulty in walking. In children, being pigeon-toed is often a part of normal development and is typically outgrown. However, if an adult develops this condition, it might be a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching our video on the meaning of pigeon-toed. We hope you now have a better understanding of this term and can use it correctly in conversation. Remember, the English language is full of interesting phrases that paint pictures with words, and pigeon-toed is just one of them. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.